Alright guys, this is how to do an oil change on your rmz450 2007. There's 3 oil drain pans right here. You do your first one, only a little bit of oil, probably about 50 milliliters oil will come out of that one, and I already did that, and now I'm turning on the video, and now I'll show you guys how to do this one. This is the middle bolt. You don't have a lot of oil in this one. There's 3 different chambers you have to empty, so 3 different chambers you have to empty. You got to make sure you empty all 3, or else you'll be putting a lot more oil in than you should be putting in. Mine says 13 milliliters of oil, so I want to make sure I get out all the bad oil that was in there, so I can put in the full 13 milliliters and there's not extra. There's 3 different chambers. You always got to let the bike warm up too, so the oil's warm before you do the oil change. Right now it's winter where I am, so the bike's cold. And I'm lazy, I just didn't take my bottom engine plate off, which I should have. Making kind of a mess here. Now in there, right where I'm at right now, this is the filter. So you really want to make sure the filter is clean. That's the filter right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You want to be gentle with it, but clean that out. Make sure it's nice and clean, because that's what filters your oil. Mine looks pretty clean. There was something on it, like gunk. Some gunk on it. Just gotta make sure you clean all the gunk off. Don't leave no gunk on it. Oil gunk, hairs, nothing like that. Goes right back into your engine. Looks good to me. Put it in nice and careful. You don't want to get anything dirty in there. You want to put it right in the same spot where it was. I don't got my dirt bike tools on me. Normally I got my T-turner, but forgot it at my buddy's house. Now I'm stuck with these little bag of tools. I have my emergency bag. My emergency bag of tools. This is only about 4 pounds of torque each bolt. 4 pounds of torque each bolt. Alright, with that being said, we're at probably about 300 milliliters, about 10 more to go. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm actually going to try that one. 12. A lot of you, if you ask me. Frick. Then go around, just make sure everything's tightened up. Tight. Tight. Putting all my sockets back in nicely. I just reuse the bottle so I know my empty bottle so I know how much oil comes back out of my bike. If you guys get what I'm saying. If you get the drift. Now what I do is I just clean off any plug I got. I'll put the plug there, put that there. That there, that there. Alright guys, that's how you do an oil change.